Okay, the highly anticipated D-bag from Deck Drawer System has arrived today. Yes, I've already opened up the box. Yes, I've already looked into this bag, and it is freaking unbelievable. What I love so far that I've noticed is that you do not have to have a Deck Drawer System in order to benefit from all of its functions. Gene, where you at? Hey, Gene. Gene's right here. Okay. Hey, let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of the plastic bag here. And at first glance, it's got a hard shell up front, got a hard shell on the back, couple of nice little straps here. But this thing is robust. Let's get this box out of the way, but before we do, we can't we can't forget our lovely shaped little scents that go inside of your car. What do you call these things? Protect your junk. And we're gonna open up this bad boy before doing anything else. I'm not gonna fill it today. Just a quick unboxing on my end. Got a zipper that goes all the way around the bottom half of the bag. That way it gives you full access in here. You can see everything that's inside at a quick glance with that large panel on the back. So as we peer inside, I've never seen this in a bag, but it actually comes with a bag inside of a bag. So this one is removable here. And it's also got some really nice, what looks like waterproof material. And again, you've got another hard shell case on the bottom. So you've got two bags in one here. And for me, as you all know, I do a lot of traveling. So I immediately see this as my new carry-on whenever I go on a plane. And then attached here on this panel is another removable part. So you can snap that here all the way down. And this becomes a removable, to me at least, toiletry bag. So I know most of you are gonna open up this flap and think, oh, well, you can put, you know, wrenches and stuff like that in here. Well, to me, I see toothbrushes, toothpaste, any sort of loose items that can fit in these slots can be covered just like that. And then you've got two bags on the bottom as well. And the reason why I say this is a removable toiletry bag for me is you've got a nice little hanging handle on the back, just like that. And then from what I can tell, this is the first time that I've taken this out, you can also fold this just like that. And you've got a nice little carrying case. Okay, that's sick. I can definitely see myself putting some tools and whatnot in here if I'm not using it as a travel bag. So here's another close look at the removable bags. It's got two nice handles at the top. You can use one handle for hanging. And then you've got this pouch here. You can put any loose items in these slots. And then two pockets on the bottom with zippers. You can fill those bad boys up with who knows what. And that just simply connects to the bag. It's got a couple of snap buttons on here. Pop those bad boys back on. Well, come on now. Come on now. Pop those bad boys back on and we are good to go. And then here is the other removable bag. Again, looks like a waterproof material. Hard shell on the bottom, very robust. Really cool. And then again, that snaps into the bag as well. You can go at the top of the bag, or you can snap it at the bottom of the bag. And for the last feature, we're going to take a field trip outside and we're going to check out the last feature, which has to do with this hard shell on the top here. All in all, it carries really well. I love the rigidness of the backpack itself. It's got some sturdiness to it, but these straps feel super comfortable. We're going to take a trip outside and see what else we can find. Okay, well, let's see if I can remove some of this junk here. Okay, take that out. So whether you're carrying work gear, underwear, if you're traveling somewhere, a pizza box, doesn't even matter. You don't even have to have a Deck Drawer System. This bag is freaking shmoney.